Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Hayle Santella and I create planner related videos and then lifestyle related videos as well. For today's video, we are going to be going through my planner and we're just going to do a plan with me for the week of the 14th, so October 14th. For this week, I decided I was going to use another glitch kit from Glam Planner. I had used one of these in my last Plan With Me video as well, if you guys hadn't seen that, but I have quite a few glitch kits from her, and they all seem to be autumn related, so this is the time to use them. But I was pretty surprised when I opened up the sticker kit for this week to find there to be green in it, because I actually planned with a green kit last week as well, so I was kind of chuckling to myself because last week it was orange and green, and now this week it is again orange and green. I had mentioned this in my last Plan With Me video, but I actually tend to plan after the day has completed, and in this instance after the week has pretty much finished up. I'm actually filming this on a Saturday morning, so I had already pretty much completed the entire week and was just going through my planner and filling in what had happened. And as you can see, I have notes written down on a notepad and a few sticky notes as well, just so I could remember what happened throughout the week and what I had gotten accomplished. That way I can go back into my planner and document it and make it all pretty and organized. One thing that you guys will notice as we are going through this plan with me is that I am frequently spending quite a bit of time searching for the sticker that I want. And that is because I don't have a good organization, filing, or efficient way to organize my stickers. I just have them all kind of in a bin from Target, and I kind of have them organized a little bit, but not a whole lot. So I am totally open to suggestions on how you guys organize your stickers, or if you have any other ideas on how I could better organize them, I would love to hear them. So if you do have any ideas, let me know down in the comments because I'm in desperate need of reorganizing my stickers. Recently, Sean and I have been watching a show on Netflix called Peaky Blinders, and we actually watched it pretty much every night this week, and we actually spent quite a bit of time every night watching this, so I figured it was worthwhile to go ahead and put that on a few stickers and just go ahead and put that at the end of every day, because that is when we were watching it. It was either after dinner or during dinner or right before bed. We would spend an hour or two, or I think maybe one night we even spent 3 hours watching the show, so it was worthwhile to put it in my planner. I spent quite a bit of time this week working on videos for YouTube, so either filming, editing, uploading, all of that good stuff. I spent quite a bit of time on it this week, so a good portion of my Tuesday evening and then also my Thursday evening as well was spent doing activities for YouTube. So I made sure to make it a fun little addition in my planner and give myself some check boxes to go ahead and check off. Friday evening, Sean and I went out for dinner and drinks, and then at 7 o'clock we went to a hockey game with a bunch of his coworkers, which was a lot of fun, and our hockey team won, which was fantastic. You guys, I absolutely love this iridescent, holographic, whatever you want to call it, sticker from Glam Planner. It is stunning, and the fact that it has the word coffee on it just makes it 100 times better. But I just had to put it on top of this sticker of the coffee mug. It was just a perfect fit for it, and it just made me so happy to have it in my planner this week. You'll notice that one of my to-dos for this weekend is to film a family intro video, and essentially what that means is that Sean and I have a family vlogging channel, or just a family channel in general here on YouTube, and we need to film an introduction video for that, and we have a few other videos lined up for the next couple of weeks now. But we need to get rolling with that and get everything ready to go, so we need to sit down and film an introduction video. I will make sure to leave the link up here on the screen and then down below in the description box as well, so you guys can go ahead and head over there and check it out if you'd like, but we're planning to upload to that channel every single Friday. I'm rearranging this sticker here because I remembered that I had gotten my new camera lens and my new microphone in the mail on Thursday, and I really wanted to put that in my planner, but I got a new 24mm lens that I'm excited to play around with, and then I also got a really good microphone or recorder that I can use to create better audio for my videos. That is not what I'm using right now. I'm using a different microphone, but I plan on using my new microphone for my videos in the future. Alright you guys, that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this plan with me. If you do like plan with me videos, make sure you comment down below letting me know, and then also make sure to give this video a big thumbs up because it helps to support my channel. But other than that, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!